We're playing a storm. Sorry, we're playing a stormy. We're playing a stormy weather. I actually wish it was raining outside. I'm sorry. I know I want to play these levels in the same weather, but I don't think I could control the weather only as relative. But it's good. It's all good. But why does it have to be auto scrolling in a Luigi level? They're supposed to go quick. Oh my god. No, I wish there was a star. Then I could destroy the lightning. If you get lightning in these in Mario, you would be turned into a mini mushroom. And if you know me, I don't like mini mushrooms. Except for this advantage over here. But I wonder how you would fly in Luigi. Is there an additional pipe? I actually don't know where that mini mushroom leads me to. What? No! See, this is the issue. Why I don't like auto scrolls. Now I have to restart this whole level from scratch. Bro, that is so unfair. I have to scan the ground. So I got double jump. I got double hit. I think I deserve the mini mushroom. Oh my god, there's so much. I need to see where I'm going. Or I need to see where I'm going because, like, come on. I don't want to just. That ruined everything. Hey, don't chase me like we're playing tag, like I used to play tag. Bro, I loved playing tag back then. There we go. Gotta make sure I reach early. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. There we go. I didn't need the one up.